Greetings and welcome to this quick guide on how to enable Apple Intelligence on all of your unsupported devices on iOS 18 by using Nugget. As you can see, we are at the official GitHub page for Nugget. Nugget is completely free and it actually allows you to apply tweaks or customizations to your devices without a jailbreak. The method shown in this video is only for educational and research purposes, so please use this guide responsibly. Also, before you use it, please make a backup of your device, so if anything goes wrong you can always restore. Also, if you want to check out the full guide on how to set up Nugget and also to apply other features, tweaks or customizations, the guide is in the description. Also, after the Apple Intelligence is turned on, you will also be able to use writing tools. Also, I have seen that the chances of enabling Apple Intelligence fully is better on newer devices. For example, the chances are better on the base variant of iPhone 15 rather than iPhone 14, 13 or 12 and so on. Nugget is available for Windows and macOS. For this tutorial, we are on Windows, and on the official GitHub page, if you scroll down, you can see to run it, first of all, get iTunes from this official link and install it. You can also get it from Microsoft Store. Also, as of Python, it is already built in to Nugget, but if you see any error, what you can do is go to the official website for Python and get Python's full version for Windows. Now, as you can see from the releases, we will get the latest version available for Windows. All right, please get this file to your PC first. Once you get the file, you can simply right click and extract all and you will get this folder. The device we are using for this video is an iPad 7 which is unsupported, and you can see it is currently on iOS 18.2. Now, to make this work, you will need this file. This is a plist file, and I will show you how you can get it from your device to your PC. To make this work, first of all, install iZip. You can get it easily from the App Store. It is completely free. Now, on your device, open the same official GitHub page for Nugget. Scroll down and you will see this shortcut. Simply run it and add this shortcut to your device first. Add shortcut. You will see this shortcut here. Simply tap it, then hit allow. Then simply browse to a location and then hit open. File will be saved. Open the Files app. You'll see this file. Now press and hold, hit on move and then move it to iZip. Now simply open iTunes and connect your device via USB. Then in file sharing, simply hit it. You will see iZip here. Open it. Simply select the plist file you just moved to iZip. Hit save. Simply select a location, then hit select folder. Then simply save the file here to your PC. Now we will simply run Nugget. Right click, run as administrator. Alright, Nugget is now open and you can see the version of my device right here. Now in eligibility, you have to enable Apple Intelligence here. For me, I actually checked all 3 check boxes, and then here simply select device model. Some people say it is better to go with iPhone 16. Now hit apply and then choose the plist file we just got to our PC. Alright, I have selected the file. Hit open, then hit apply changes. Your device will now restart. Hit OK. Alright, after your device returns to home screen after the reboot, if I go to settings, first of all, let's check out the version. So it is the same device, iOS 18.2. You can see now I have Apple Intelligence and Siri here, and it will start preparing it. You will see downloading with the percentage in a few minutes. Also, if you go to general, go to storage, you can see that the storage is now increasing. You will see Apple Intelligence here also. And if your device is now heating up, it means that the process is going on fine. Also, after a few minutes, I can also see the percentage with complete right here under Apple Intelligence and Siri. Also, to make this work, make sure that the language is set to English United States. Once the process of downloading is complete, you can turn it on, and you can also see that in notes we have the writing tools now available, as you can see it right here. Also, enabling the Apple Intelligence on your unsupported devices will break your Face ID, and I will show you how to fix it. So once you're sure that all the models and the Apple Intelligence is now turned on for you, you can fix the Face ID by simply opening the Nugget app, then again going to eligibility and making sure that all these check boxes are checked. But here in device model, simply set it to none, then hit apply, then choose the file, the plist file for your device, and then hit apply changes. The device should now restart. Now after the reboot, the Face ID for your device should now work. Also, after this process, make sure that you do not go into Apple Intelligence and Siri in your settings app, or the Siri UI will revert back to the orb style, meaning the new Siri UI will be reverted. Now guys, to get back to stock on your devices and to remove Apple Intelligence, what you can do is go to Nugget again, then go to apply here, then hit reset button. Your device will now restart. As you can see, after the reset, my device is now back to stock and Apple Intelligence is now removed. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.